Ever wondered how many people actually use Monese? You know, that digital banking app promising to revolutionize how we handle money? It's a question that's popped up in countless finance forums and social media groups. So, let's dive in and try to uncover the truth about Monese's user base. Before we get into the numbers, let's quickly recap what Monese is all about. It's a mobile-first banking app that offers a range of financial services, from current accounts and money transfers to debit cards and savings pots. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible, targeting a younger, tech-savvy demographic. The appeal of Monese lies in its simplicity and convenience. No more long queues at the bank. Everything can be managed right from your smartphone. This has undoubtedly contributed to its growth, but just how much growth? That's the million-dollar question, or perhaps, the million-user question. The challenge of finding exact numbers. Now, here's the tricky part. Pinpointing the exact number of Monese customers isn't as straightforward as you might think. Unlike traditional banks that are obligated to report their customer numbers, fintech startups like Monese have more flexibility in terms of disclosure. They often prefer to focus on other metrics, like transaction volume or growth percentage. This lack of transparency can be frustrating for users who want to know the scale of the platform they're using. After all, a larger user base generally implies a more robust and secure system. Estimating Monese's user base. So, how can we get a ballpark figure? Well, there are a few methods we can employ. Media coverage and press releases, news articles, and official statements from Monese can sometimes drop hints about their user base. Look for phrases like millions of customers or rapid growth. While not precise, these can give us a general idea. Social media and App Store reviews, while not scientific, analyzing comments and reviews can provide anecdotal evidence. The volume of feedback can give a sense of the app's popularity. Competitor analysis, comparing Monese to similar fintech players, can offer some insights. If a competitor claims to have a certain number of users, it's reasonable to assume Monese is in the same ballpark, or perhaps even larger. Job listings. Companies often mention their user base size and job descriptions to attract talent. Keep an eye on Monese job postings. The importance of user growth. Regardless of the exact number, it's clear that Monese has experienced significant growth since its launch. This growth is crucial for several reasons. First, it indicates that the platform is meeting a genuine need in the market. Second, a larger user base means increased revenue, allowing Monese to invest in new features and services. And finally, it strengthens the company's position in the competitive fintech landscape. While determining the exact number of Monese customers remains elusive, the evidence points to a substantial and growing user base. The app's appeal, coupled with the broader trend towards digital banking, has undoubtedly contributed to its success. It's important to remember that the number of customers is just one metric. What truly matters is how well Monese serves its users and whether it continues to innovate and adapt to the evolving financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.